Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. The #1 place for discovering exciting, trusted, and up-to-date remote career opportunities. Today I'm sharing a fantastic opening for an English voice actor where you can work from anywhere in the world and be part of cutting-edge AI and language training projects by delivering high-quality English voiceovers. Carefully transcribing and reviewing audio and video content, capturing tone, emotion, and speaker intent through precise timestamps, analyzing language for grammar, vocabulary, clarity, and meaning, editing scripts to align with specific narrative and stylistic goals, and collaborating closely with experienced language professionals and AI engineers to improve data accuracy and overall model performance, making this role a great fit for detail-oriented professionals with native-level English proficiency, proven voice acting or narration experience, and a background in linguistics or language analysis with a minimum commitment of 15 hours per week. So if you're looking to grow your skills, work remotely, and be part of the future of AI and voice technology, don't forget to check out Micro1 AI and use the link in the description to apply and get started today.